Hey, what's up, YouTube? Okay, my name is Henry from ACC Driving School. I am going to run through what is on the driving test at a Florida location, South Florida location. I recorded the beginning of this video. I recorded this whole video actually on my GoPro, but for whatever reason the intro was got messed up. So I'm redoing the intro. So I'm gonna ask you please to watch the video to the end. Do not start watching the video, click off, and then jump in the comments to ask me questions about the video. All right, so let's get into it. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel? The answer is left, away from the curb. Okay, what else do? You put the car in park, you pull up your parking brake, and you turn off the ignition. All right, they're also going to ask you to do the turn signal, so they can check to make sure your turn signal lights are working. So they'll say signal left, signal right, blow the horn to make sure the horn is working, press and release your brake to make sure your brake lights is working. They will not take you out in the car if any of these things are not working. They're also now asking you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, so they can check to make sure that your tire is good on the left side. Turn all the way to the right to make sure your tire is good on the right side. Again, they will not take you out if your tires are bad. All right, so now the examiner will get into the car and they'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. We're gonna reverse from here and we're gonna go to the left. So go ahead, reverse and go to the left. Look both ways here, because cars could be coming from both directions. Alright, turn all the way right. Keep looking behind. Alright, that's good. Put the car in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left. So you make sure you come to a complete stop, and as soon as they tell you that you're gonna make a left, you put on the turn signal. If you don't signal, you will lose 2 points for each time that you don't signal. I go all the way down to the end at the stop sign and we're going to make another left turn. So you make sure you signal left. To a complete stop, but you should put on the signal maybe 100 feet before, right? So as soon as they tell you, due to the size of this plaza, it's probably time to signal. All right, go ahead. And we're gonna go all the way down to the end of this corridor here. In the right lane. Make sure you're in the right lane at all times. Alright, so we're making the right turn. So signal right. You're making the right by this tree here. And you make sure you make the mirrors past the curb before you turn, because you don't want your back wheel hitting the curb. As soon as you finish with this corner, they're going to tell you to stop, like right here. Stop. And now they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, now look behind and reverse straight back. Alright, stop here, put it back in drive. Go down to the end and make the left. Signal left. Stay close to your right side, because now you're gonna park in between the cones. So signal left again. Make sure you signal every time, because you don't want to lose points for not signaling. Damn, it's dark over here. Alright, straighten up. Pull straight in. Alright, cool. Alright, reverse, straight back, and then we're gonna go to the left again to do your 3-point turn. Alright, turn all the way right. Gotta remember which way to turn. If you want the back to go to the right, you turn the wheel to the right when you're reversing. Stop here. Put the car in drive again. Pull up next to the line on the right side so you can do your 3-point turn. Okay, stop here. Alright, signal left, turn all the way left. Okay, that's good. Put it in reverse, turn all the way left again. Turn all the way right, I should say. And look behind and reverse. Alright. Signal left again and turn all the way left. Stay close to the right side. We're going to make a left turn here. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. And you want to see what the DMV line looks like still. This has actually been going on for years. And yeah, this is what the DMV line looks like early morning. That's the line, early morning at the DMV. It's crazy. Alright, making a left turn. Alright, go ahead. Stay close to your right side. And then make a left again, quick left. Space and park. Alright. Alright, that's good. Put the car in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
Good.
You did good, yeah. Yeah, you did good. Alright, so you see how, how he did. I expect him to get like really high marks on the test. So again, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.